An Indonesian phenomenon called Telolet Om has garnered international attention after the face exploded on Twitter and picked up by the dance music world. According to the Jakarta Post, the phenomenon began in November with a Facebook video that showed children shouting and waving signs with the face, which literally means "Sir, honk your horn, sir," at passing city buses in Jepara, Central Java. Dutch duo Firebeats met fans' requests and came up with a quick track containing elements from some Telolet Om videos.